Bar 30 is the place to be for everything. We cater for every occasion. We can come for birthday parties, people come for their corporate events. We got the 4-meter screen, we got the foodie, we've got great cocktails, we've got great wines. Place to be. My name is Jean-François Savaroc. I'm the food and beverage manager here at Park Royal Parramatta and the manager of the Bar 30. When the owners opened the hotel, they really wanted to represent the indigenous culture here at the hotel as part of the rich culture that's from Australia. So they started from the get-go to ensure that we have art, but also some features in the bar that represent that rich history. Bar 30 and Bistro used to be called the Heritage Bar before, when it opened in 1986, and that changed in 2010. That became the Bar 30 and Bistro. The clientele here at the bar is very mixed. You've got a combination of corporate guests and leisure guests as well, so locals from Parramatta that made the Bar 30 their own bar. It's a really rare place, the Bar 30. You can, on one hand, come here for a wine with some clients and have a bit of a business meeting, but you can also come and watch foodie on the 4-meter screen and have a great night as well. We cater for all types of people in every type of genres. So for entree tonight, we've got the pork belly and warrigal grains. So that's a very classic Australian dish. The ingredients there and the techniques we actually use two parts of the pork. So we've used a pork loin, which is sous vide, so a technique of very slow cooking, and the pork belly, which is confit as well. So those are the main ingredients. And then on the side there, we've got the warrigal green puree that we made, and Australian macadamia nuts as well to go on it. With all the ingredients we're using, it's a tribute to the indigenous culture. At Bar 30, we offer a great range of different cocktails using different techniques and different ingredients as well, that we try as much as we can to support our local brands in Australia. Whether you're looking for a classic cocktail or one of our signature cocktails, Bar 30 is for you.